Hi, Kurt Moreland in our exhibit hall. I'm here with new exhibitor, Vertical Supply Group. Cindy Meister, welcome to the show, our conference. I hope you're having a good experience. We'll talk about that in a minute, but I want to find out about your products and how you help blind people climb.
Awesome. So we're Vertical Supply Group. We are a distributor and a manufacturer of products. We have featuring here our Sterling ropes. We have basically climbing ropes, winching lines, stringing lines for the utility. In addition to Sterling, we manufacture fall protection. So we have arc-rated harnesses. Yates gear is a quality harness, lightweight, and preferred by many of the trainers at the show that have come up and recognized our Yates brand. So a little bit on that. And then over here, we are featuring Notch equipment. Notch equipment, we are showing our Lineman Basic Stored Energy Kit, which is basically tools and equipment to help safely remove stored energy in trees. So they can do it safely, and everything they need comes in the kit.
Sounds good. Cindy, I want to ask you about this rope. You know, some people just think rope is rope. Tell me, what makes yours different?
Sure. So we do custom lengths. We manufacture rope basically in the US and Canada. We'll do custom rope sizes up to, whatever they're looking to do, whether it's, 100 feet, 600 feet. We'll do scannable tracking, but it's a quality rope at competitive prices.
Made in North America. That's important these days.
Yes, that's right.
Well, welcome to the show. And if you don't mind me asking, as a first-time exhibitor, what's been your impression? Have you made any new contacts here?
Yes, we have. It's been a good show. We've met decision makers for safety that, are the ones that are speccing the product out and have to make those approval and hard decisions. So we very much appreciate that.
It's a great place to connect with existing customers and then maybe meet some new ones
That's
too.
right.
I like that you pointed out that the decision makers are here.
Yep, that's important.
Very good. Thank you so much.
Thank you.